Hello, I'm Batu. Today I'll guide you through the social CRM AnyWare, the all-in-one sales and marketing platform tailored for agencies and businesses aiming to enhance their operational efficiency, automate marketing process, unify client interactions, and reports in one comprehensive solution. Before we head on to dashboard, I want to talk about our multi-company faction capability. Here, we can choose all our companies in one place. As you can see, we have two. We can choose a Marvelous Marvel or Marvelous Workflows. For this demo, I'll be going under Marvelous Workflows. Now, let's head into our dashboard. In the opportunities status section, a donut chart presents a snapshot of current sales opportunities. Currently, we have 5 opportunities. Moving on to the opportunity value, notice the horizontal bars indicating a total revenue of $500. This signifies that while many opportunities are still in play, one has contributing $100 to the revenue. The conversion rate chart here shows a critical metric indicating the effectiveness of the sales strategy. In the funnel section, we see the stages of each lead passes through, from initial contact to demo scheduling. Each step is quantified, providing a transparent view of the sales process. The stage distribution parallels this information, offering another perspective on the funnel's performance. As we continue, we observe a color-coded task list helps prioritizing follow-ups, a crucial aspect of lead conversion. Lastly, we have the lead source report, breaks down the origin of leads. Now, let's move on to the conversations. Here, you'll see an initiative interface designed to streamline your communication. With a simple, clean layout, this step ensures that no customer query goes unnoticed. You can easily filter through unread, recent, or stare, or all conversation to stay on top of every interaction. Next is the template snippet section. Here, you can create, store, and manage message templates to ensure consistent and efficient communication. Now let's head on to the calendars. As you can see here, this calendar offers a comprehensive view of the month ahead. You can see the clean layout, the initial navigation, and the ease of access to any day you require. With a click, you can switch to daily view, or weekly, and monthly. Over the right, we have the handy mini calendar for quick navigation and the user search bar amplifying the process of managing multiple calendars at once. In the appointment tabs, each entry clearly displays the name, status, title, requested time, and ownership of the appointments. With the user-friendly sorting options and the new plus button on the top right, you are always one click away from adding or rearranging your schedule. Now I'll be moving opportunities. Our opportunities tool empowers you to adapt and manage your sales pipeline. This is where all your potential clients begin their journey from prospects to profits. Starting at the top, we can see the Marvelous Lead Management dropdown. This versatile feature allows you to switch between different lead pools, making it simple to manage multiple campaigns or product lines from one central location. Moving to the left column, we see New Lead, Need to Call. Every fresh opportunity begins here. With a clear identification of the action required, it ensures no lead goes unattended. Each card represents a unique individual, like Mark Demo here, waiting for that first connection. Clicking on Mark Demo, we can see his contact details. Let's go back. As you can see, we can see his contact details, potential deal value, and the best ways to reach out. Next, we have the no answer left voicemail and text column. It's crucial in tracking follow-ups. Under this, we have Eric Demo 2 has been placed here, a subliminal nudge reminding you of leads that requires that second touch, basically. In the middle column, we have a schedule a demo. This is your indicator of progress. A lead like Kevin has shown interest in engaging further, for example. It's a commitment to discover more about what you offer. Moving on to the no-show response and follow-up in 1 week columns. They are currently empty, representing potential actions rather than current activities. And finally, the client close and client no interest columns. This is every release destination. We also have drag and drop this as well. We have the option. We also have the top right feature, keeps your workflow smooth. First, search opportunities ensures you never lose a track of lead, while sort by gives you control over how you review your potential clients. And when you're ready to add a new opportunity, the plus opportunity button is your gateway to new businesses. Now let's move over to payments. Let's start with the invoice section. With a clean interface, you can generate detailed invoices, track which are due, overdue, or drafted, and even set up reminders for your clients. Next, we have the documents and contracts section. Here, you can manage proposals, estimates, and contracts. Draft new documents, send them for signatures, and track their studies all from one place. Lastly, under payments, I want to talk about our integrations. As you can see, we have multiple payment integrations such as Stripe, PayPal, Authorize.net, and MI. Now let's move on to the marketing. Starting on the email campaigns dashboard. Here, you can access all the components necessary for setting up your campaigns, including templates, snippets, and trigger links. For example, let's click on this template. Here, I can add it, delete it. For example, add a new text. I can add the image, as you can see. Let's go back. I can add another button here, and so on. Let's go back to the main page. You'll see a list of your campaigns. Each entry shows the title, last updated timestamp, execution date, and current status. If you want to create a brand new email campaign, we can simply click on plus new, and that will take us to the email campaign. And we're gonna have to choose a blank, and after that we can either do this as a design or code. I'm gonna go with design, and it's the same process. I can add the text, I can add the image, and so on. Now we'll be moving to automation. Here you can create and manage workflows that streamline your tasks, enhance efficiency, and ramp up your conversion rates, basically. Let's explore the draft workflow by clicking on here. For example, this specific workflow combines appointment confirmations, reminders, surveys, and review requests into a single streamlined process. It's still in the draft stage, meaning it's ready for you to finalize and activate. If you want to add a brand new like trigger or a flow, we can add a new trigger. And as you can see, we have multiple workflow triggers such as like contacts, events, appointments, opportunities, courses, and so on. I can simply click like, for example, contact credit. I can say like birthday reminder and save the trigger. As you can see, I just add a new trigger called birthday reminder. If I wanna add a trigger between like a flow between two triggers, I can simply click on the small plus button, and I can add the action. For example, like a find contact, create contact. We have a bunch of actions in here, as you can see. For example, I want to add an add contact tag. I save action. Oh. As you can see, I add a new tag between the confirmation email and a birthday trigger, and so on. It's that simple. Let's go back. Now we'll be moving on to the sites. Here, you are equipped to create sales funnels, build websites, and design forms and surveys. Funnels are the backbone of lead conversion. With CRM, you can build customized funnels that guide potential customers from awareness to action. Let's look at our credit repair business funnel, for example. With 4 steps, like cancellation and 3 thank you steps, is tailored to capture leads effectively. And our life insurance funnel, streamlined in 2 steps, is designed for quick engagement. For example, I want to edit this thank you funnel, right? I'm going to click on edit. Whatever we see here is editable. Like I can change the text, the layout, uh, the color, the logos. That I can change pretty much everything that I see here. We have that option. And let's go back. Now we'll be going on to the forms. Forms are basically your digital handshake, the first step in gathering essential information. For example, we have this registration form. Here, you can gather data without any problems. You can also customize field to fit your precise needs. When I click on it, for example, I can change the label, the placeholder, the field width, and I can add a brand new column as well if I want to. Let's go back. Last but not least, we have the surveys here as well. With tools like, for example, customer satisfaction survey, you can gain insights directly from the source. Our conditional logic ensures you ask the right questions at this right time. Again, I have the option to, edit. When I click on it, I can change the label, my query key, I can add another column, and so on. Now I'll be moving on to the reporting. In here, we can gain a comprehensive understanding of your marketing campaigns, sales activities, and overall business performance with our reporting tools. As you can see, this is a Google Ads report. Below that, we can see our total impressions, total clicks, our total conversions with the conversion rate. You can also see the amount of money spent on ads as well, our total amount. Below that, we have all the campaigns with their name and their status. For example, if I want to click on the specific campaign, we'll go into details. When we go to details, you can see how much impressions we got, how many clicks we get, and conversions, and so on. We can see our total client spends as well. And the same concept goes with the Facebook ad reports as well. We can see our total impressions, total clicks, conversions, conversion rate, total amount of money spent on ads, and our campaigns here as well. We also have the appointment reports. Let's filter this. Under reports, we can see the total booked amount, total confirmed amount. We can see all our, we have a pie chart. We can see our channel, our source, outcomes, and our calendar there as well with their contact name, who created it, and so on. Lastly, the CRM is now available on the Apple Store and Google Play via our mobile app, bringing all these powerful features right to your fingertips, wherever you are. That wraps up our overview of the system. If you're interested in further discussions or would like to explore some customization options, please reach out to us. Thank you.